Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Is this even worth it? People just don't care anymore. When a driver thinks he's starting a race. He waited long enough. The car in front of him stopped. He can tag along with it, right? So my wife just got back in the car and this guy parked beside her. Where we're going, we don't need stop signs. This driver must really not care about anything. Saw this Tesla reversing off a freeway on-ramp last night. I'm convinced he needs to go to the bathroom. I think my dumbest neighbor needs to stop doing drugs. When traffic lights are out, just do what you want.
What an asshole. Good Lord.
Must have found his license in a cereal box. This guy has his own personal lane. It's okay if you hit a car accidentally, but why are you trying to run?
Call the police. Damn.
I'm not sure what the white van's problem is. This driver loses patience and nearly crashed into me and cyclists. There are always some neighbours out in the street here.
Mud wrap.
That shit been
You
through.
got the mud wrap.
He got the deagle. Oh my god!
Oh sh.
This Tesla driver relying on self-driving fails. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.